But what if I had this? Like, and had like little udders and just come and get them. Welcome to part 2. Hey, we love that you came back for more. I'm utterly excited to see what I'm gonna make after I finish getting baked. So I'm gonna move on out of here and see what's up. All right. First step, preheat the oven. Bake. What would my collab be with Ariana Grande and Tom Cruise? Would it be like the Charlie's Angel thing that she did, but it's 3 of us? I think that's good. Tom Cruise, Booze Cruise, Tom Cruise, Ted Cruz, Booze Cruise. It's just a 3-day trip around Texas where you just visit all, or like not Texas, but you just like visit all the spots where the Zodiac Killer did things. So we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of that, but you know what? I like to have 2 heaping teaspoons because life's flavorless until you add the flavor. So put a little extra. Put some heaping mounds of flavor into your life and see what happens. I feel like I've got some fun word associations today. Put some salt in that, and we're gonna just put some salt. Just gonna eyeball it. 1, 2, 3. Talk about Salt Bay, am I right?
Oh, some bar 3.
Yeah. Done. It's not horsing around. You're a cow. It works. That works. If I had a longer shirt on, no one would be saying anything. So, check yourself. Okay. Ooh. So what it makes rinse for. We out here vibing. Guess who's making donuts? We're gonna make some space. Normally, I am better about cleaning my space as I cook and clearing my space, but because I want you guys to feel like I'm like you, I make sure to really clutter my space so it feels like we're all the same. All right, I'm gonna put my donuts in. See you in about 15 minutes. I'm veal. And then we're gonna flip this baby over. I'm gonna need space. Did it come out? Yeah! Ah, that's really hot! Ah! No, it's so feeling spooky today, y'all. Feeling real spooky. No. Little dough blobs. Now that's melted butter. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And to soothe the mind of Ditaya, I'm not gonna do my booby method. So you should do it, folks. It's edible. This is my edible arrangement for you. She's a goner. To coat. Okay, this is pretty wet. That's a wad, a wet ass donut. The 7th step. For the topping, stir the sugar and cinnamon. Ooh. Oopsies. Oopsies. I made a mistake. I made a big mistake, but it's basically the same. It says, stir the sugar and cinnamon together in a shallow bowl, working one at a time. Brush the donuts all over with butter, then dip them in the cinnamon sugar to coat. As you can see here, I didn't do that. We get lots of calls from concerned viewers. There you have it, folks. I made donuts successfully, from what I can see. I messed up, but you know what? Let's see. Feel like I should take a taste, right? Mm-hmm. Tastes like pumpkin, so, you know, but pretty good. Not flaggy. Warm. And cinnamon sugary. Have enough on my hands to really just satisfy anybody's needs. And that's great. All right, everyone. Well, that's the end of the show. I think we gotta giddy up on out of here. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.